from a woman's reason. Each decision comes unfulfilled before the force of her will. Did we need the company? Did your body plead and beat to the tune of the cycle of the moon? Your habits dwell in every cell, the markings etched upon their flesh, the gentle throb from each shadow. There's a potent mix in every double helix. From a woman's reason, each decision comes unfulfilled before the force of her will. Your habits dwell in every cell, the markings etched upon their flesh, the gentle throb from each shadow. There's a potent mix in every double helix.